YouTube, what's up? So I hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to the third episode of A Day with Dudi. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as the previous ones. So today we're gonna be unboxing the package I got. So if you guys checked out my story on Instagram, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Second, I'm gonna reveal the car name for the Toyota MRS. And third, round 2 for my front bumper for the Honda Civic. So we're gonna go search again and see if we can find another one. So stay tuned for the third episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, time to open the package. So here's the box. Everyone can see, nice special box from Japan. So let's open that package up. Let's go. Wow guys, look at this package from Japan. Everything is written in Japan. Look, I'll show you guys. Look. Everything in Japan. That's how you know it's really JDM. JDM, son. JDM. Alright, let's open that package up and see what we're dealing with. Actually, I might take any of you guys out of the shot. My apologies. Oh, actually I think this might be 2-in-1. Wait, give me a... Wait, hold up. Hey, yeah, it's 2-in-1. Okay, yeah, I do remember. Because I ordered something else too and I thought it was coming separately. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. So I got some TRD stickers. You guys can see the TRD stickers. They came from Japan. So you know it's the real one. So look at that. We're not playing any games. I did not print these in my basement or anything. So we know it's pretty legit. Oh, that one is looking pretty good. So let me show you guys. It's really nice. TRD all over, guys. Stickers. And now for the grand finale. Let's see what we're dealing with. I better not scratch that item. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Ooh, it's a poster of what? I don't even think they make posters of the Toyota MRS in US or in Canada. I had to get one all the way in Japan to rep the car. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. That's exactly what you call racing. That's exactly what you call racing. That's exactly how your MI should be looking. Oh, I hope mine looks like that when I'm done the project. I really want my car to look GT300 when I'm completely done with my car. Oh, this is beautiful, especially the blue one. You guys know blue is my favorite color. Everything blue, guys. Blue. Oh, that's beautiful. Woo! Posters fire! Posters bomb! Alright, now it's time to reveal you guys the name of my car. Alright, time to talk about my Toyota MRS. So, I'm gonna be naming my car, drumroll please, Kaori. So, as you guys know, I bought my car in Japan, so it was made in Japan, so I said to myself it would be proper to name my car Kaori, a Japanese name. It means fragrant, so it's a lovely nice name, I think, for my nice blue car. I got the name from watching Initial D, because that race where Ryosuke Takahashi and Rin raced down the mountain, so the R32 and the RX-7. I think that was probably my favorite race and my favorite episode. I really like the meaning behind it, and I think it's gonna suit the Toyota MRS really nice. So I'm gonna say it with a Japanese accent, Kaori. So I think it's a really nice name, guys. I think you guys will like the name of my car. So let me grab that sticker again real quick to show you guys something. More news for the channel. Let's grab it right here. So as you guys can see, you guys can see the sticker right here. I think, well, no, I don't think, well, it's 100%. I'm gonna be giving these away to one of my fans. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and supporting me throughout my new experience with YouTube. So I think you guys deserve to have something from me. So I will be making an official post on Instagram. So make sure to follow me at HeavyFoot_68 on Instagram to have more news about it. And on my next video, or maybe on Instagram, I'll announce the winner for the giveaway. So if you own a Toyota Celica, a Toyota Corolla, a Matrix, an MRS, whatever you own that's Toyota, I hope you guys enjoy the TRD stickers. So you guys can see it says Sporty Info, which means sport. So I think it's really nice. It's gonna look really neat, and I think you guys will enjoy. And again, for those that couldn't see the poster really well, just gonna see if I can maybe stretch it. So here, that's one end. That blue car looks fire. And for the yellow car, oh, that's beautiful. That's how an MRI should look like, in my opinion. And I really like the pre-face headlights with the black housing. Even here, you guys can see too that black housing. I have the same one in my car, but mine are a bit faded, so I'm gonna need to maybe buy new ones. If you guys do have a nice proper the pre-face headlights, please let me know in the comments below. I would be really interested in probably buying them from you guys. So let's go see if I can get myself a front bumper for my Honda Civic. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Today we're Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. It's the junkyard is already closed, so we're gonna go do that tomorrow, and I'll bring you guys along with me so you guys can see what we're doing. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Let go.